Lane Keep Assist with Lane Departure Warning provide gentle steering wheel input and alerts to help prevent you from unintentionally drifting out of your lane. This feature uses a forward-looking camera. When you're in forward gear and traveling above 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour, this sensor looks directly ahead to detect lane lines. When a left or right lane marking is detected, a green icon is displayed. If you drift over a detected lane marking without intentionally steering or using your turn signal, this icon turns amber, and the system provides brief steering wheel inputs to help guide you back into your lane. This can be easily overridden with normal steering. If lane drifting still occurs, the lane departure warning system will flash the amber icon. In addition, front beeps are sounded in the direction of the lane drift. If equipped, rather than using directional beeps, the safety alert seat pulses on the left or right side. This feature can be turned off using a control. The system does not continuously steer the vehicle.